Here we are, ready to try and buy a new car. Hello everyone and welcome to EA40. In this video, I decided to go on Copart to try and buy a Saab that I originally tried to buy from Facebook Marketplace, but the owner flaked out on me. I happened to see this car available on Copart as a donated running and driving vehicle, and being that I already knew a lot of information about the car, I decided it was worth trying to buy it off of Copart in an auction. Let's see how that turned out. Well, here we are everyone, we're in front of the computer. The bidding is basically going on right now, and it's interesting seeing all the cars going through. At the time that I'm speaking, there's actually only 4 minutes left on this 2007 Saab 9.5 Aero Sport Combi. We're on item 39 in the auction, and this one is item 43. Currently, the current bid is $675. We can get it up to $700 if we'd like. We'll see how this ends up going. I don't know how many people are going to try and place last minute bids. Remember that this doesn't include all the fees that are going to come afterwards. We're probably going to be looking at about $500 in fees or so, maybe a little bit less, we'll see, but we'll see how it goes. So 4 minutes left and oh boy. One thing that's interesting though is seeing all the cars as they're going through this auction. So right now there's a 2018 Subaru Forester that is at $4,700. It's in New York. We'll see. Okay, someone just placed another bid, $4,850 now. It was just a $4,800. Gonna see someone's probably gonna place another bid in right now. It looks like it's just about on the cusp of bidding. It's now at $4,950, and this is a 2018 Subaru Forester, 17,000 miles, has a salvage certificate. I don't know what the damage specifically, oh, side damage is the primary damage. An interesting thing as well, occasionally you get bidders from like all over the world. Actually, you do definitely get bidders from all over the world. I think I saw a winner not long ago from Nigeria, another one from the UAE. Cars are sent here to Copart and they're oftentimes shipped to other places in the world. Oftentimes other places may even have lower repair costs and the cars are fixed up and sold there. In fact, the funny thing is, recently I was talking to one of my subscribers from Lithuania who recently purchased a Saab 9.3 from the USA, had it shipped to Lithuania, had it fixed up. Uh-oh. It looks like it shuts down after 2 minutes. What? Oh crap, I gotta call them. I'm trying to, I can't get a bid in. I can't get a bid in. Just to explain what happened here, I thought I was locked out from bidding because I didn't place any preliminary bids. However, what I did not know was that it's just the transition period between the preliminary bidding and the actual auction itself. So luckily, as I saw later on, I wasn't locked out of anything, it was just transitioning.
New bidder.
Okay.
Approaching minimum bid.
This is where it gets interesting. So it's right now at $800, $825, $850, $875, $900. Oh my goodness. The music as well is intense. Oh my goodness.
Pure sailing.
This is a hot lot. High participation in the lane.
Hey Dad. Okay, bidding's at $1,500. Do I go to $1,550 or now? Yeah.
Bonus
It's on
time.
bonus time. Do I do it? Do I do it? Yes or no? Hurry up. Do it? Alright. Oh, 16 now. Do it or now? Oh, you know what? Too late. I got to 16. You know what? Honestly,
bidder.
this guy was gonna keep on going. He was, because it got to 1100, got to 1200, 1300, and yeah, you know what? He beat us to it. He beat us. Oh, yeah, it's over. They beat us to it.
Bonus time.
Yeah, you know what? Whatever. I'm annoyed at this point because the guy...
As you can see, I was outbid on that vehicle. While I was salty at the time, let's just say that the future played out better that I did not purchase that vehicle. Besides, the price of it would have been too high once I counted in the Copart fees. To the owner who I got in that bidding war with, congratulations, I hope you very much enjoy that car. However, I think I got a car that's better than what you got. I hope you enjoyed watching that video, and I hope it gave you guys a glimpse as to how it's like actually bidding for a vehicle on Copart. Let me know of any other questions you guys might have. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you on another video.